Hello again, welcome to the MasterCAM course. As you remember that we are creating our toolpath for contour toolpath actually. After the contour toolpath, we can easily create our scallop toolpath for this area. Okay, and let me create my toolpath. I'm gonna turn back to here, surface finish, and we can prefer to use scallop toolpath. After that, I need to select my color. My color can be like this, and then we can hit the OK button. After that, we can change to check surface. Okay, this face and this face, this face, this one, and this one can be my check surface. We can also turn to the level actually to make unselect our actually faces, and then I can select all that face as a check surface. Okay, all face is selected as a check surface. After that, I can hit that button, and then let me create my boundary, and then we can prefer to use create new tool and ball and mill. It can be 8 mm. Then we can create our cutting speed, and it can be 3 and 1 mm, and the scallop parameters can be 1 mm. We can reactivate that limit. We can organize and gap settings as a follow surface, and we can activate optimize cut order, and then we can select the OK button, and then let me check my toolpath. Okay, that is my toolpath. Okay, it seems good for us. After that, actually we can easily turn to here to organize my real step over. Can be like this, and then we can recalculate our toolpath. Yeah, we need to change our cut tolerance according to this perspective. I need to change my and cut tolerance like this, and then actually we're gonna get that kind of toolpath. Okay, so that's quite good. Maybe when we turn to the here surface contour toolpath, it also can be 0.50 mm. It's a finishing process actually. Okay, it's calculated right now. And then it is calculated like this. Okay, so all the toolpath is calculated. We can turn to here and level and activate all the boundaries and all the actually surfaces. Okay, so let me check that stuff. This is the surface finish toolpath, and then you can also see the surface constant scallop toolpath.